everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. If you've got any questions about it or any of the rest of our inventory, feel free to give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can go over to our website, smokymountaintraders.com, and send us a message there. Now, I don't want to hold you up any further, so come on up and we'll take a closer look at this one. This car is a factory A-code car and has been featured in multiple magazines. As you can see, it's one of the finest examples that you will ever see. Across the front, the bumper has a brilliant shine, and we can see that all of the grille and headlights are beautiful as well. As you make your way down the driver's side, you can see that all the body lines flow beautifully here from the front to the rear. You'll also notice that all of your gaps are even and symmetrical at the door as well. Now come on up and we'll take a look at the interior. The poppy red exterior is accented beautifully by the black interior, which is also a factory option. The front bucket seats are like new, along with the rear back seat that folds down with ease and gives way to the iconic 2+2 styling of the Fastback. This 65 has the console, which has the 4-speed shifter, and we can also see it sports factory AC. Looking at the dash, it's all in phenomenal condition, and we can see it has the factory gauges that are all working. All the door panels, headliner, and carpet in this Mustang are also in excellent condition, and they have a great fit. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll make our way around the rest of the vehicle. As you come across the back, you'll notice it's had a new rear bumper installed. You can also see that the taillight bezels have been replaced, and you can also see we've got a new gas cap. One of the things I love about this Mustang is how great this deck lid fits. You can see that all of your gaps are even and symmetrical, and the fit here is one of the best that you'll ever find. Now, as you make your way down the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back. That way you can get a better appreciation for the restoration on this Mustang. As you can see, the body is straight as an arrow, and it's accented by the poppy red paint, which is the factory option. It was redone in the base coat, clear coat, and has had countless hours spent wet sanding, buffing, and polishing it to a mirror finish. Every piece of glass in this Fastback is gorgeous, and we can see that the side glass all has a great fit and goes up and down with ease. All the trim from the windows to the rocker molding is beautiful as well, and it does a great job of accenting the poppy red. To finish off the stance, it's sitting on the Magnum 500 wheels with BFGoodrich Tires. Now that we've been around the outside and on the inside of this Mustang, won't you come on up and we'll take a look under the hood. As you can see, everything has a gorgeous detail. The power comes from the matching numbers 289 4-barrel engine. It's dressed out like it would have been in 65 with the stock style valve covers and air cleaner. This 65 features the factory air conditioning that blows cold. The 289 is mated to the correct 4-speed manual trans that shifts out with ease. It goes out back to the 8-inch Ford rear end with 300 gears. For exhaust, it has manifolds with the factory style pipes and muffler that exits out the back. Underneath it, all the floor pans are solid along with the frame. This car shows no signs of being abused and is stunning both top and bottom. On the highway, you couldn't ask for a sweeter running and driving Fastback Mustang. Thanks for checking out this Fastback Mustang with us. Remember to check out the description below, and you can see all the pictures and a link there as well. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us at any time, and make sure to follow us on all of our social channels. We'll talk to you soon.